So it's been a minute since Charlene and I have done our last video. I'm going to be pretty rusty sitting on this side of the table. But if you're new to the channel, my name is Tarek, and my wife and myself's business is called Chartermade. So it's the Charlene and the Tarek combined over there. So loads has happened in this last few years, and I really look forward to sharing snippets of that over our next few videos. But today, I want to show you guys something that I'm super proud of. It's my new knife model. It's called the P413. So this is actually a very, very special build. It's got some ingredients on it that are very special, including a fossilized piece of mammoth molar. So that's what this inlay is over here. I've also done a textured finish on the titanium handle scales. This particular blade over here has got a swedge grind on it. I'm going to show you another one that doesn't and has also got a hand rub finish. But the full knife is a titanium build. I've got titanium screws here at the back. And then this pivot, I actually make this pivot specifically for this model. I want to do something just a little bit different on the pivot, so I do make that pivot. And then this knife is an inset lock. I will be stripping one down just to show you how the inside of it looks. But I've done some nice little detailed work on the machining over there on the lock bar. The lock bars are also carbidized. So the handle scales have been anodized to a color, I think, which looks really good with the piece of mammoth molar, and then all the other details are just vapor blasted, which gives a nice contrast to it. And then the blade steel I'm running on this one is Elmax. These knives are all individually serialized as well, so the serial number is sitting underneath the blade. But let me strip one of these down and then show you what the insides look like. Alright, so this is a build that I'm still busy on. This one's actually got a nice smooth finish, which can be anodized or left in this particular way. This is a vapor blast finish, which I actually really like. I've also given this blade a hand rubbed finish, and it doesn't have a swedge. So these are 256 screws. These screws are actually from Tie Connector. So we're running on ceramic bearings. This one hasn't been sharpened yet, it hasn't been logoed, so as I said, still got a bit of work left on that. So it's done a lot of internal machining on this knife, which makes it very, very light. The model without a bolster comes in at 83 grams, but it's extremely light. It's very, very comfortable to carry. So this is my personal one. It's been in my pocket since the beginning of April 2024. Color's starting to look really cool in that. So if you've made it to the end of this video, I really do appreciate you watching. And if you're wanting a custom built P413 from me, there will be links below this video for you to go find out some more information over there. See you on the next video.